you breathing so hard? Are you tired? Out of breath? What you so excited about?
She don't know me breathe that hard.
Mm-mm. What's the problem? Killer. Bella. What's wrong with you today? You don't know.